Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with my DEK Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. It's called Red Nose kit, and I am behind planning this past week, but I want to go ahead and do it so I can have it for memory keeping. So if you guys will indulge me, I'm going to go back a week, and that's okay, because that's the one thing in planners, guys. As you guys go through your weeks and everything that you're doing, if you get behind on something, don't feel badly about it. I mean, we all have that happen. And if that's your memory keeping, then go for it. And I didn't even use my little thing last week. I did write in here for the week before, but and I'm gonna save this because I'm gonna use that in a junk journal. So, but we have been out of pocket. I'm so sorry. I missed you guys last week at the end of the week. My husband had dental surgery, and I wasn't really ready for what it was going to be like. I don't know why. I usually am, but I personally then got a little ill with migraines and just all kinds of stuff. And I don't know about y'all, but when you get to that point, you are just shutting down. And then I had some tummy problems on top of it, which can be related to migraines for me. But I think one of them was I had gotten a bad salad, and that was yesterday. So it was, I guess after not being able to get groceries for so long, I hate to throw anything out, though we never throw anything out. We give it to the chickens because we have chickens and chickens and ducks and geese and guineas. But I just thought it was still good. I could tell it was a little off. But wow, I will never do that again. When we ran out of basically, fresh vegetables after COVID hit, and we were sick and we couldn't go to the store, and they weren't doing any kind of deliveries at that time except for Amazon and Walmart.com, not the Walmart curbside. They wouldn't deliver to us at that point. Anyways, to make a long, I say that a lot, sorry guys. Just to tell you, I learned a lot about, eating wilted lettuce and a few things like that. But I really didn't have a reason to, except for I just didn't want to waste yesterday. And yeah, the rest of it was not eaten. So it was disposed of. I didn't even feel good about feeding that to the chickens. Lettuce can be funky. There's all kinds of issues that can happen. So anyways, but that on top of kind of a crazy week, and I was also having to work a lot this week, and that happened on Wednesday. So those of you who are praying for me, I want to say thank you. As of right now, we do not have accounts closed out, but we do have written, emailed, and verbal agreements. So hopefully, just really pray for me. I have to close out the partnership that was my dad's commercial investment company and commercial investment partnership. And number one, it's really sad. I'm the only one that probably has any nostalgia within the partners. I remember being a 13-year-old girl, paying the bills for this partnership and reconciling the bank statements. But and part of the nostalgia is it was my dad. So, but they want it done by December 31st, and I have literally all but, it's just been so difficult. And yeah. So, hey, I'm back with if you guys are in Texas, try the Candy Cane HEB coffee. Oh, it's amazing. Hold on one second, guys. Amazing. I found it. My husband never makes my coffee. He got sick on coffee years ago. Let me get you some more light. And so he won't do it. But anyways, he is great at making that for me. But after his dental surgery, we've agreed to a full 3-day quarantine from the kitchen kind of thing, because, none of us want to get sick, or I don't want to get sick. And he didn't just see our dentist, he saw a specialist. And yeah, I love Snowflakes or Kisses from Heaven. Okay, that's coming out. And I think it's going to go right up here. But so he is doing well. He had 2 teeth worked on. major surgery, and we're just praying. He's on antibiotics and pain meds and things like that, and he's got a rinse, and so we're just praying that there's no complications, but we just wait and see. He has returned to working on the barn the next day, slowly the next day, and but so we'll see how he does. He's full blown now. I mean, he's working full steam, but still unable to, like today he had me make him a chai latte, but he let it cool, and then when I gave it to him, he didn't let it cool, and because he's not supposed to drink anything hot. So hot, spicy, anything like that. And nothing, everything's mush, basically. So we've been eating very weird meals. Last night it was skinny Thai noodles with Alfredo and Parmesan, and I cooked spinach and put in it. And so, I mean, it was good, but it was just really weird because you expect that skinny Thai noodles with Thai sauce or Thai, pad Thai or something like that, But he's doing much better, and I'm super excited. Today and tomorrow I will be filming a bunch of tutorial type videos, and I'm super excited. I've been working on some projects, and yes, this is Hermie and this is Yukon Jack. So thank you for everybody who gave me that info last week. I loved it, and I'm trying to decide who I want to put on here. I think Bro Live Snowman. Anyways, to not say that again, but anyways, we've gotten a lot done. He's doing fine, and yeah, and I want to say thank you to everyone who has reached out and offered prayers for our family. We greatly appreciate it. Like I said, this isn't a quick fix, and it is not going to be, and it's a journey, not a destination right now, if you've ever heard that said. So, and that's okay. It's all in God's timing, and that we know. So I am just going to sticker this page up like crazy, especially because this week is almost over. So I can go in here and put my journaling, and I'm totally fine with that. And I think I'm going to maybe I'll put him up here. And then I'll cover the rest of that line with whatever I have left. So that's what's been going on here. So when I went quiet, I really wasn't feeling well, and some of you had reached out via messaging on Instagram. Thank you guys, y'all are so sweet. I just really struggled last week. That's just what it was by the end of the week. Just a lot of stuff going on too. So, but I'm doing fine now. My stomach is a little sensitive, but you see me drinking that coffee, don't you? But I also have a piece of cheese here and some green iced tea, so I'm trying to be good. And I have eaten more than my fair share of peppermints. So if any of you have tummy problems, if you can find essential oil peppermints, whether hard or soft, they are so great for your tummy. And seriously, you can even just use, I'm going to put this over here. You can even just use essential oil peppermint. If it's food grade quality, you can put that in your mouth and have it. So I know doTERRA and Young Living have some, and one of them, I can't remember which, I think it's doTERRA. They have the peppermint drops. They're little beads, and you put them in your mouth and they dissolve, and it gets that down to your tummy. So I'm trying to get off some of my stomach meds, and I think it was just bad timing. I shouldn't do it yet, but you try. So anyways, but I'm good, and we are fine, and we are thankful. So I think I'm going to go this way. So that's it that's been going on here. Oh, you know what I'm going to do? Hold on. I did not see that. Hold on. So this is a Ranger craft mat. They do have an off-brand, several different on Amazon. I have used those over the years. I do think this is a really good one, especially if you deal with inks like I do. There's one of my long hair. Sorry there, guys. But and they last forever. They're just, it's a worthwhile investment. I mean, is it forever? Probably not. I'll probably misplace it before I use it out, though, and that's the truth. So, but I do love them, and got a little glitch there, but that's okay. I do love using them, and I think they work very, very well. So, mm, 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 mm. I think, I'm going to save that banner for one of my scrapbooking. I'm coming back with some fun projects for I'm making Christmas projects and Christmas gifts, and it's been a long time since I've done it, so I'm super excited. I'm going to save these because I can use this in January, so I'm not going to worry about using that one up. And I can use all of that in January, but I can't use these up, so I'll use these guys today, and I can use all of this in January, so I'm going to save those over here. Same thing with all this, though I will probably see if that will fit. It might not, but we will try. I do not know. That's not going to fit. Oh, and I need to get I've got my tweezers in there. Where did I put those? Oh, they may be in the other room. I have been working and reorganizing so much in here, so it's kind of like I was telling my daughter, what did I do with my EK stickers? I got them all in this one little thing, and what did I do with them? And, you think you know, but you don't know. So, all right, so I'm going to put Rudolph there, and I'm going to put this little guy here, and this little sweet doll there. I love the Island of Misfit Toys. It is such a wonderful storyline for me because I taught special ed, and also had children that had, some issues in learning, and they did great, and praise God. It just was one of those things. So the Island of Misfit Toys means a lot to me. It's a really, I love Special Olympics. I love I love teaching special ed. If I could ever go back in the classroom, that's the only thing I teach. That's how much I loved it. Yeah, I know. So I only have 6 of these. I was trying to see what I had for blanks. You know what? I'm not going to be writing that much. I will go ahead and use the days of the week. That is okay. Oh, I should have used that. Okay, not a problem. Not a problem. We're going to be happy. So anyways, but I hope you guys are having a good Christmas season and holiday season, and I hope you're all staying very safe. I'm not going to really talk about that much anymore, except for to say, be wise, be really wise, okay? I get lots of updates and for people on the front lines, and yeah, and be careful with the vaccinations. I think it's going to be great. But I think that we have to be wise about it. So, yeah. When I was being told certain things wouldn't be affected, they're being affected now. So you have to be very careful where you're at in your own health before you take a vaccination. And I'm telling you, when they get those kinks worked out, yes, that will be a blessing. And the hope is for, of course, herd immunity. In the meantime, that is the prayer. But the real prayer is for a cure, not for quick solution. And that, vaccines are great, but to me, I got that crooked, sorry guys. The vaccination is great. I just don't think it's a long-term cure. It is and it isn't. You know what I mean. We need a cure. That's what we really need. So that continues to be my prayer. And yeah, I just hope that you guys are all just staying safe. Yeah. And wash your hands, wear your mask. Yeah, it's all important. So my husband and I had this discussion on whether COVID could be on clothes. And interestingly enough, medical people are now going back to not wearing their clothes in the house. Some, not all, but some. So be careful, Just use your beautiful brain, as my grandmother would say, that God gave you. My grandmother used to always say that. It was the cutest thing ever. She would say that about my husband. I just love his beautiful brain. She was a cutie. Oh my gosh, I miss her so much. Especially this time of year. But I got to share with somebody yesterday about her, and hopefully she heard me talk about her in heaven. And, if not, I ask the Lord to please tell her. Tell her I miss her, tell her I love her, tell her I just told a good story about her. So I'm just going to come across here. Why not? That is too stinking cute. Let me see. Actually, what I'll do is I'll pull this one up. I'll put that on the top since it's short. I know. You saw me do it. Because everything else can be used for winter, and I am totally good with that. I hope you guys saw last week's video, or this particular week's video. When I put it up last week, I did the my travel TN, and I did it kind of junk journaling style for my sweet junk journaling friends out there. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. And I'm not going to let one drop of this not be used because it's so stinking cute. All right, now, do I want it to go here or here? I think I'm just going to leave that there and I'll put it down here. Yeah. So I am totally enjoying getting back into all my junk journaling roots. So for all of you who are junk journalers and you're part of this channel, get ready. Get ready. You know me, it's going to be there. So I love to junk journal. And yeah, I love making everything from scratch. So yeah, I think it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm afraid I'm out of camera. Sorry, guys. So I'm just going to put that up in there. And then I've got a pretty green one. Let me see. Will that fit in here? Nope. Okay. Nope-de-dope. Okay, how about right there? Yeah, I don't mind if that. Actually, what I think I'll do is I will pull this one up and let that be on top. So even though Hermie's hat is cut off, we will give him due diligence. Okay. But, okay, so this is how quick and easy it is. So when you guys say, I can't use these sticker kits in a TN, yes, you can. You sure can. And isn't that cute? I love it. So, all right, and I have these, but these are little bitty thingies. So I'm going to let that go. And I'm going to save all that for January. And this now, whoops, where'd all my little guys? Oh, I think I put them on. Okay, yeah. So again, just save your leftovers. Don't give them up. This can totally be used as a January kit, except for Rudolph. And how easy is that? So, or you can use them in your scrapbooking. You can use them in your junk journaling. You can use them in your Bible journaling. I mean, it is fantastic. You can use them in your Lister's Got a List. So, all right, friends, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. We would love to have you. And hit that notification bell down below, and it'll tell you every time a new video comes up. Also, guys, if you would like a DEK kit, any of them, the link is below. My discount is below. It's KRIS 15, and have fun. Just have fun. And this was in one of her very, very affordable kits. I just want to say that. You do not need to spend a fortune. You cannot. It's all up to you. And if you sign up for the emails, and always just put KRIS in the comments, that helps me. And you can get on her email list, and then they don't bombard you. They just send out an email, because there's 2 days a week usually that we have specials. And like the Black Friday special was fantastic. Yeah, I mean, that's one of those ones that you go and you stock up. So, but if you put my name in the comment, it helps me, and I really appreciate that. And I'm opening my little cheese from Imperfect Food. And yeah, so, all right, friends, my prayer day's blessed, creative, and lovely. Thank you so much for stopping by. Go get you a cup of something hot and enjoy your day. All right, friends. Love you guys. Y'all be safe. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.